Uses of a computer. Computers are used everywhere nowadays. They are very useful. We use computers to do many things. We use computers to solve difficult sums. We use computer to type letters, poems and stories. We use computer to listen to stories and rhymes. We can play games on a computer. Some of the games are Ludo, car racing and chess. We use computer to connect to the internet. We learn about new things on the internet. We use computer to watch cartoons and movies. We use computer to paint beautiful drawings. We use computer to send and receive messages anywhere in the world with the help of internet. In a video call, we even see the person we are talking to.